Okay, so let's begin our first day of meditations. So the meditation that I chose for today, it's a teacher's favorite. I never met a Kundalini yoga teacher that didn't like this one. If you practice Kundalini, you probably practiced this meditation before at some point. And it's just because, it is simple, it's effective, and it works. Everybody likes it. The name of it is a meditation for a calm heart. So we're going to begin by placing the left palm on the top of the heart center with the fingers pointing to the right side. And your right hand, you're going to place the fingertips of your thumb and your index finger together. The other three fingers point towards the ceiling, and the elbow of the right elbow relax on the side of your body. Remember to keep your spine straight. Remember to be comfortable. Now, from here, you're going to close your eyes and you're just going to focus on your breath. So the breath pattern for this meditation is, you're going to inhale through your nostrils for as long as you can, as deeply as you can. Then you are going to pause, hold the breath with the air in for as long as you can. Then exhale through the nostrils. Same thing, as long as you can. And then hold the breath again. Pause the breathing with the air out for as long as you can. And this is the pattern. You inhale, you hold, exhale, pause. Inhale, pause, exhale, pause. And you keep moving, creating your own rhythm. So find a rhythm that works for you. Inhaling through the nostrils. Holding the breath for as long as you can. Exhale through the nostrils. And holding the breath for as long as you can. So get ready, prepare, and we are going to begin. Do the best you can. Inhale, hold, exhale, hold, creating your own pattern. Filling your lungs with air as you inhale, and releasing the air completely from your body as you exhale. If the attention moves towards other directions, just bring it back to your breath. Now inhaling deeply and exhale powerfully. One more time, inhaling, exhaling, and last time, inhaling, exhaling. Now relax the position of the hands. Keep focusing on your breath. Slowly leaving the meditation behind, opening your eyes. Very good. Now this was our first one. You can practice this meditation for 3 minutes. You can practice for more if you want, up to 31 minutes. So you can build up your practice. And I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions about, any doubts, any questions about it, just let me know.